Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to copy an email here in Constant Contact. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to the left panel and go to Marketing Channels. Click on it. Now go ahead over to Email. Okay. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, first up, let's try to copy a draft. Okay. Maybe this one. Click on the three dots besides it and just click on Copy. All right. Now go ahead and rename the campaign name or the email name. For example, Copy Yellow. Hit on Save. Wait for it to load. And there you have it. All right. You can now go ahead and hit on Continue. If not, you can go ahead and go back to your dashboard and recheck it again. And there you have it. All right. For a published one, you can still go ahead and copy it. As you can see here, we have this copy button instead of edit. Copy it to create a new one, because when you have published a email, you cannot edit it. All right. As you can see, you can just resend. So just hit on copy with the same set of steps, rename it. Copy pink, maybe. Hit on save. Again, wait for it to load. And from here, you can now go ahead and edit it. Hit on continue to send it to whoever you want. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.